Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. I'm not dead. I've just been so busy with classes and finals from fall semester, so here we are. I'm back. The first couple weeks of spring started and I thought, okay, I haven't done a video in a while, so here we are. And thank you guys for being patient with me. I'm sorry, I'm kind of a mess. Yeah, so for today's video we're gonna be doing a basic eye look and like no makeup look, I guess, because I know I've asked a couple people, they're like, I need a video to help me do makeup, and I'm like, okay, and then they're like, I'm not really into color. I'm like, all right, well, we're gonna go neutrals today. So yeah, well, I'm gonna add a little color, but you don't have to do it. But yeah, so if you want to see what's happening, please keep on watching and please subscribe. Thank you. We're gonna do some priming and concealing under the eyes, because actually let's just not do concealing under my eyes, because then if there's fallout, we'll be okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in with the prime lids. I'm using the Photo Focus concealer by Wet n Wild. Love her. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so I primed the lids already. So for today's video I'm just gonna be using like accessible items from the drugstore. They're both e.l.f. palettes. You're like these. Yeah, they're these. ASMR. This is the Rose Gold Sunset palette, and this is the Jewel Pop palette. So I'm gonna be actually just gonna do two looks. Why not? So this one's like full of neutrals with like some red and orange. This is gonna be for the neutral, and then Jewel Pop has some neutrals, but mostly color, especially that Barney purple. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with the neutral side. So let's see. I just washed my brushes and I'm so happy about that, because I don't know if you know this, but clean brushes are annoying. So for the neutral look, we're gonna dig into the Rose Gold Sunset palette right here, and then we're gonna go into the shade, this brown warm tone shade, great for the crease. So we're just gonna, you know, put in the crease like that and just blend it out like so. It's best to just build it up. Honestly, go back in, bitch. Tap access. And like these shadows, they're very creamy, but they're matte, so that's like kind of weird, I guess. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I'm kind of brown, so it doesn't look good or show. Anyways, I'm gonna just keep on building up that crease to deepen it out. Define that lid. Yes, okay, so there's that. And then we're gonna get a small detailed crease blending brush, and we're gonna go into this maroon terracotta burnt red shade, Dogwood. That's what it's, okay. Gonna go into the crease again and just deepen it out even more. Honestly, if you didn't want such of a dark shadow look, you can just not do the shade and just put a shimmer all over the lid. That'd be honestly really good. But I'm just gonna keep going. So I guess it's 3 looks. Wow, great. And then we're just gonna go back into the blending brush with that brown and buffer it out so it's nice and blended and no harsh lines of the dark brown. Okay, so just to make sure it's all seamlessly blended, we're gonna go into this peach tone to blend out the brown so it's not too blown out and just make it look more seamless. Alright, so I'm gonna get a packer brush. I'm so sorry, I don't know what's happening. Anyways, I got this one from e.l.f. It's like $2 or $1. And we're gonna go into these two colors, the dogwood color and the dark brown, and just mix it to make it not crazy. And we're just gonna pat it on the outer edge of the lid. Alright, and I'm just gonna go back in with the big blending brush to blend it all out. Alright, and then okay, so you have two options. You can either cut the crease to make it like really nice, or just pack on the color, which I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go into this shade. It's like, you see it? It's like a dirty money color. I'm just gonna put it on the next to that dark brown we just put on. And then honestly I should have sprayed this. I'm gonna spray it and just go back in there. Oh, yep, yeah, she's there to play. And then just to make it more pizzazzy, we're gonna go into this really nice yellow shade that's shimmery right here, and just pack it on in the inner part of the look to morph it with the metallic green brown. And yeah, here we are. A nice day-to-day look. I'm just gonna pack on that outer color again, the matte, to make sure it looks nice. And then yeah, and since it's a whole face, I'm not gonna do foundation. I'm just gonna put some primer, pore filling primer. I'm gonna be using the Catrice Prime and Fine. I love her so much. We're just gonna pack her on, tap her in, and then to make yourself look dewy, we're gonna go with a nice glow lotion by Elf. They have two. I think that they have a pink one and a gold one. I'm using the pink one right now, and just it's gonna make you look so glowy. Yes, queen. Alright, so yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna put the concealer on. I'm gonna use the same one I used for my lid. I'm gonna mix it. It's gonna be this one, and then the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Almond. You can find these products like at CVS, honestly, or like Walmart. Sometimes I see LA Girl in the beauty store. I'm gonna blend her in. And then you can also just put the concealer on your problem areas. That's what I do sometimes when I, oh my god, when I don't have time for foundation. We're gonna go into the Kokie powder contour palette at Walmart. We're online. We're gonna go to the banana shade because this is like the darker tone one. I'm gonna set and forget it. Alright, so now we're just gonna do some finishing touches. We're gonna go with this terracotta shade, or the dogwood shade, and just graze the bottom lash line 3/4 in, not all the way in. And then we're gonna go back to this blender shade, and we're gonna go into this brown and just smoke her out. Honey, smoke her out. And yeah, that's the look. And I'm gonna do wing off camera because I can't do it while you guys are watching because I suck at it. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a wing after I finish. I'm gonna start on this eye. So be right back. Alright, so we're gonna do this eye. We're gonna be using mostly the Jewel Pop palette by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Did you guys know e.l.f. stood for eyes, lips, and what the fuck is the other one? eyes, lips, face. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is so pretty, but okay. We're gonna get a packer brush. A nice little packer. And I'm gonna go into this Dusty Rose shade that's actually really pretty, or the Barney shade, but we're gonna pack her on into a circle on your lid, or like the shape of your lid. I'm gonna pack her on, and I'm just gonna keep packing until she's so opaque that it's crazy. Alright, so I only take like 2 times, wow. We're gonna go and get a blending brush. This one from BH Cosmetics, the quartz brush. And then we're going to go into this orange and blend her out. The Dusty Rose shade in with each other. Yeah. Both these, I think each of these palettes are like under 10 maybe, I think, and they're really good, like really good. And then we're gonna get another blending brush and just get this really pale shade and blend this orange out. All right, and then we're gonna get a detailed blending brush, small, and we're gonna get into this maroon shade right here. Honestly, that orange shade was a flop, so I'm just gonna use this color this whole time. Fuck the orange. And you got like a purple, pink, fuchsia look after I finish the rest of this. Okay, so now I'm gonna pack on more of that fuchsia shade on the outside. Like that, mix it with the maroon shade. Okay, so on this side, I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna use the same concealer, whatever. And then I gotta get like a concealer brush. This is like from Elf, same thing. It's like $1. It's supposed to be for liner, but I mean, this, I guess this counts as liner. All over your eyes though, not just the bottom half, you know. And you're just gonna cut it out to make it a cut crease. Usually this doesn't take that long, but here I am. Okay, cut crease. This is like kind of getting off like the trend, to be honest, but who cares. We're gonna get a packer brush again. I'm gonna go into this purple. In this palette, there's no shimmers whatsoever, which kind of sucks. And then we're going to get that fuchsia shade, pack it on to the middle. Alright, and then we're gonna get this light shade in the inner third. Just because, to lighten it up. Okay. Alright, so these are the 2 finished looks. Just kidding, I did the bottom lash line. We're just gonna get that Dusty Rose again. Bottom lash line. Up it out. And then attach it to the top portion, and you're gonna have a bomb look. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do liner off camera and my brows, and then we'll just talk for a moment. So I did brows and liner off camera. Honestly, don't do brows. I mean, I do brows every day. I meant liner every day, so yeah. They're probably uneven, that's fine. But anyways, I wanted to give a little sparkle to the look. For the neutral side, I'm using this Pixi Liquid Fairy Lights in Sunray, just for the inner corner. It's like a little yellow gold, and it's so pretty. Like, look at that. Wow, that's I messed up. Yes, I liked my cotton pad. What of it? Alright, and then for the other side, we're using Milani. And it's a liquid eye coat or eyeshadow. It's a shimmer and hypnotic light. It's like a white, purple, blue flecks. It's more like a violet, actually. And yeah, boom. Here we go. If you want, you can blend around, whatever, but I'm just gonna leave it as that. So anyways, yep. And then what else you could also do is like add a little blush. Let's see, I have Pearlescent Pink by Wet n Wild. We're gonna just put it on real quick to make it look cute, whatever. I'm using Real Techniques blush brush. This one has shimmer in it, just saying. You can put on your cheeks, on your nose. This is like become a trend too, like everyone puts it on nose like that, whatever. And then you can also do a little highlight. I'm just gonna retouch on a favorite, the Milani highlight trio. It's like white, gold, and a brown, or like a light brown. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics highlighting brush and just go like that. Oh wait, just kidding. Let me spray myself. I'm using rose water. That puts on the highlight better. I'm just gonna pop it on right there. You can make it light, you can make it a lot. I'm using a lot. And yeah, that's about it. This is a tutorial. Yeah. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'm annoying. But look at that glow. Who freaking cares? And then if you want to do a lip, I'm just gonna use this new pickup I got, the Healthy Lip by Physicians Formula. And we're gonna make these lips healthy. Oh. She's comfortable. Like, she's kind of greasy, but I love it. But I'm gonna end the tutorial and then I'm gonna say my goodbyes. I'm gonna be really sad. The most saddest part of this video, the ending. But you know what you can do to make me happy? Tell your friends about my YouTube channel, because I think I'm doing pretty good, even though I wasn't here for 2 months. But anyways, yeah, please tell your guys' friends. Please subscribe if you haven't. And next week I'm gonna have another video. I'm gonna try to do like a new Valentine's Day look every week, at least one video. And then yeah, and then maybe a tutorial on my, or a video on my Instagram. I don't know. I also changed my Instagram to Gleamin' Bean because I thought it was cool other than my last name. Thank you guys. Please come back.